factored form look like standard form? You know how? We claw it. It's just claw. That's all it is, right? But I'm just giving you the official thing that if you're transforming factored form to standard form, you claw. So for my friends out there who are thinking, Mrs. Tarantino, I forgot claw, and how could you forget claw? Just a quick reminder. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. And negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. X squared plus 3x minus 4 equals y. That's it. I just transformed it from one format into another one. Super easy. So here's what I'd like you to do. I would like you to do just the claw part right now for me. And then I'm going to talk about that stupid negative on the outside. So could you do me a favor and just claw that first part and then stop. And then you and I will talk about what to do with that stupid negative on the outside. Awesome, baby. Perfect. And I will take that. Thank you so much. Super, super easy. If you're thinking, Mrs. Tarantino, really, is this supposed to be hard? No, it's not. You got this. A quick claw form. No, we don't want to write this down, Melina? Okay. So here we go. Nice and easy clawage. X times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative 1x. Negative 6 and x is negative 6x. And finally, negative and negative make a positive 6. I'm going to clean this bad boy up, and I'm going to get x squared minus 7x plus 6. But here's the thing I got to tell you. Let's remember what this negative is telling me. It's saying, hey, everything inside, do the opposite. So what I'm going to say is, oh, okay, that's not going to be a positive x squared. He's going to be a negative x squared. And that's not going to be a positive, or negative 7. He's going to be positive. And I've got to change this guy. The only thing I'm going to tell you is do it at the end and do it to everybody, right? Because that's fair. Is that pretty easy? Yeah? Okay. That is changing factored form to standard form. Easy. You guys got that. The trickier one, a little bit, just a tiny bit trickier, is going from vertex form to standard form. And there's just a couple of tricks, and they're tiny. Trick number one is this. We cannot distribute. I know we want to. Everyone wants to distribute. You're not allowed. What you got to do is write it twice. We got some clawing to do. So we're going to go x minus 4, x minus 4. We start with that. That's the order of operations. So we're going to do this dude and get x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. And I'm down to this guy. He's so beautiful. 8x plus 16. But wait, I'm not quite done. I have to remember this guy. I do him at the end because the order of operation says do it at the end. So then I'm going to work him back in. That's the only thing that's new is that you do your clawing and then you work in that too. You don't add it in first, right? Order of operation says you deal with him at the end. So our answer is going to be x squared minus 8x plus 18. A little bit different answer, just a tiny bit different. So can you do me a favor? Can you try the next one on your own? Can you go ahead and claw first and then work in that -3 at the end? Give it a try. This is almost the end of the notes. I'm telling you, super, super easy. Question? No? Yeah. Oh, okay. Like. Yep, everything looks good. You need a helping point. So plug in 0. See what y will be if you plug in 0. And that will give you something up here and that up here. Okay, here we go. You guys ready? How'd you do? This is about almost, there's only one more thing after this, and then I'm literally shutting up. X squared, or x plus 9, I'm gonna claw that bad boy. X squared plus 9x plus 9x plus 81. Now, I'm gonna make him nice and tidy, beautiful. He looks so beautiful. Everything's good, but please don't forget, I gotta remember this little guy at the end. That's the only thing that's kind of new. It's super easy. X squared plus 18x plus 78. Plus 78. Yeah? That's not bad. That's not bad. I have one last example for my friends who are going on in math. You can skip this one on the homework. It's 11 and 12. But I think everyone can do it. But I want to show it to you what you would be expected to know for next year. And it's just a little bit trickier. So I'm going to try this one with you. Some of you are going to be like, this is turning out super easy. But if you don't like it, don't worry about it. I'm not going to test on it. So here's what we got to do is the order of operations. So we're going to start, I'm going to pick purple again because purple is so beautiful. Hello, purple. What we're going to do is start here, right? Start right here. Okay, so that's the guy we're going to do first. So we're going to say x plus 2, x plus 2. Everyone's cool with that. Here's what we get. X squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. I'm going to clean it up so it's nice and clean. X squared plus 4x plus 4. Now, careful, the next thing we got to do is this guy. He's going to change. He gets distributed to everybody. So I'm going to do that in red. Watch what happens. I get 3x squared plus 12x plus 12. Is everyone cool how I did that, right? I just distributed that 3. And now I got to deal with this guy last of all. Santiago and I were doing it, and we got 3x squared plus 12x plus just 7. Yeah? So nice, one step at a time. Go the inside stuff, the exponent, the multiply, the add and subtract. Talk to me, Amy.
That 3, does it just stick with that x squared?
Yep, he just sticks with it. Because really what I'm doing is I'm distributing, watch what I'm doing. I'm distributing this guy to here, to here, to here, to here.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense? So it makes it 3x squared plus 12x minus plus 1. That's it. That's your homework. So give that a try. So here's what I need. Before we wrap up, I'd like 2 things to happen.